Peace and love, beautiful people. Now, growing up in Jamaica, rural Jamaica, I have always seen these beautiful plants called Croton. Now, it's always in everybody's yard in the community. You can see it as edges, see it in flowers pots, all over the place. You'll see crotons because our grandparents they used to love planting these plants. No, growing up, I thought they were just there for decoration. And my generation, we seem to think so mostly because after a while, the trend was that you remove these old time plants because they are seen as old time plants and we replace them with other more delicate or more fanciful looking plants. Some of us, we remove the plants totally and we put as fences, we would have wall fences and other fancy fences instead of these plants. So one day I was listening and I heard someone talking about keeping the body alkaline, and they mentioned a plant called Pavana, which is very helpful in keeping the body alkaline, maintaining the alkalinity of the body. So I decided to do a research on Pavana, and lo and behold, what do you think? It was this very plant that we used to call Croton, growing at our hedges. Yes, this plant called Croton is the same as Pavana, and the research is showing that Pavana is excellent when it comes to certain compounds being discovered in it, like anti inflammatory compounds, antibacterial, antioxidants. All these are found apart from many essential minerals, vitamins, they found them in this plant Pavana. So, therefore, the research is saying that Pavana is effective in treating colds, coughs, fevers. It helps to protect your skin from oxidation. So it's antioxidant. It helps to reduce your blood pressure. It regulates blood sugar, and it's a blood cleanser, liver cleanser. It's soothing on the nerves, so it helps to reduce depression and anxiety. And they have also discovered that it can help to prevent cancer. It is not a cure for cancer, but it can help to prevent cancer. So, how do you use this plant? I would advise you to dry the leaf and powder it, and then from the powder, you use maybe a teaspoon and put it in 8 ounces of boiling water. Let it boil for maybe 5 minutes and then steep it for 10 minutes. You can have it with some lemon, add some lemon to it. If you want to add sweetness, it's best to use molasses or organic honey. And there you have it, your own Pavana or Croton, which we used to destroy. I advise you go back and plant these plants. They are beneficial to you medicinally. Thank you for watching, and remember to live and let love.